Hey guys, PandaGlasos here, and welcome back to another video. So this video, I'm just going to be, getting in there, having fun, hopefully not boring you guys to death. So, I think what I'll do is I'll go over the news and the new things that's happening in Animal Jam. However, I can't buy most of the new things because I has no diamonds. So, yeah. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the news, go over the new things. So, toucans have come to Jamad. Become a toucan today and soar around the skies of Jamad, and don't forget to check out the toucan mini book in the Chamber of Knowledge. Okay. So, Phantom Badlands. You can read this here. You can do the new things, new 2D adventure for member wolves. New Den, art gallery, pet llamas, royal outfit, sketch jam, really cool. I recommend you try it. Animal Jam box. Just saying, guys, supplies are limited, so you might want to do it before they all run out. Just saying. So that's it for that part. Sorry, you can always pause it and go back to read it yourself, or you can go into Animal Jam and read it, or if you don't play, again, you can pause it and go back. So, what I'm going to be doing today is, how about we go to the gallery party, because why not? Let's look at all the arts. Sorry, I had to kill an ant. Let's look at all the arts. A party. See if any of my friends' art is in here. Apari's art is in there. Can I open them? Apari's art. Because why not like it? It's a YouTuber's art, so why not? Is this my friend's art? Is that for real? No, it's not. Thought it was. Sorry, people. I get excited over nothing. So, Dumbo. Now, this got in there, okay? And I took a screenshot of this. And this is one of my screensavers because it's so amazing. And I already liked it, you see. Of course, my art's not going to be here because I'm not good at art. Just saying. So, don't be expecting to see my art in here. Because I'm not good at art. If it is, I will be shocked and I will probably die. Not literally, I wouldn't maybe, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't get how people do this. They're so talented. I saw this one too. I didn't like it. I'm sorry. So, okay, ooh, say it. Do they even sell here? Oh. That's what they sell here. Oh, I know what this is. I have that at my local paint shop. Anyway. So, I think I'll go and look at these parties. Because why not? I mean, you already know they're all boring anyway. Why not go to it? Why not, people? I know I'm boring. You don't need to rub it in. So, okay. How about let's take a look at and go by the daily rare, because why not? So let's see, where's the daily rare? Where are you? I know you're in here somewhere. I mean, I know most of these rares that I would be giving away in the giveaway would be Monday rares, but a rare's a rare. Where is the rare? Is it not showing up on my screen? Or am I just stupid and missing it? People, I think I'm stupid. Is there like specific places now that you have to get this, or what? It says sale. But I didn't see it. You probably are yelling at me saying, it was right there and you passed it. I'm sorry, people. Sometimes my game lags and I don't see it. And it's just not there for me. Oh. Is it an Epic Wonders? Let's go ask our friendly GMers where it is. Because I have no clue. Because I'm stupid like that. So, where is the rare? Where is... Really? You won't help me, and what you want is a heart locket. Okay, really? Really, person? Okay, whatever. So we won't worry about the rare. Because if we can't find it, then there's no reason why we should worry about it. Right? Why did I go into here? See, I told you I was dumb. Oh, wait, no. Yes, I'm ready to leave. So then, guys, I hope you're enjoying me failing and stuffs. Leave me inspiring messages in the comments. Leave me things like, you're so cool, or something stupid, even though I'm not. You know, be supportive. Where is the rare? Oh my god. Here it is. Are you kidding me? Final recycle something? Game? Might be that way. Sorry people, I'm recycling things and you're probably really mad. But I want to buy at least 2 of those things. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video here, and I will have a second part of this because my recording is about to end. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video.